Who goes to our first runner-up goes to candidate number 1. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our first Divine Man of the World International 2016. Our no other than
From India!
candidate number 7 from the land of India. Oh my God! Welcome to here, guys.
Oh, where's the winner? Congratulations once again, and may all request all the judges that is come forward not to take a photo with them.
Yes, but before that, Madel, I would like to call on Mr. Kai's Ramadan to say some words
Okay.
to our top 5 winners. He will be going to say something to us and to our 5 winners.
Okay, good evening everybody here. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. I would like first of all to thank everybody here, the audience, the great people, amazing girls, amazing men over here. I would like also to thank so much the organizer of the Divine Man of the World International 2016. With a special thanks to Noor, Jiabal and Zohaib Z from Exclusive Z Concepts and Modeling Management. I would like also to thank from my side, through the people, each one of you. You done here great. No one here lost or failed. Everybody winner. And each man here in this room is a real man. I asked one number 77 question, what is the definition of man? So let me tell you, and let everybody hear this. The man is a leader. The man is handling the success. The man is a father. The man, don't forget, that he's handling the knowledge. Okay? So what you are here, only to tell you very simple, you are here to wear the success of this event by show what you have. So, everybody here in this room, a man. We are, thank you so much. Everybody here, beautiful, amazing, we are all human. We are great people, we are amazing. We're here going to show the success, what you have done through the people. Thank you very much again, thank you very much for everybody over here. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hayes, for that wonderful message.
Okay, then.
And once again, congratulations to our first Divine Man of the World International 2016, coming from the land of India. And everyone who was here to support and stay with us, thank you so much, guys. And we would like also to thank our committee and staff of the Men of the World International 2016. We would like to express our deepest appreciation to our panel of judges.
See you all the next for the another event and mythical beauty, intelligence, talent, and persona.
Exactly. We hope all to see you again next year to celebrate again this kind of event, and hopefully for the second batch of Dubai International 2016. This has been your host. I'm Alvin Pancito.
And I am Adele Echeverria.
And this is the Dubai Man of the World International 2016. Merry Christmas to each and everyone
And a Happy New Year!
in advance.
In advance.
Have a good night, have fun, and enjoy the rest of the show, guys.
Thank you so much, judges, for taking your time. And also for all the guests, thank you so much to all their friends and also their families. Thank you for coming and also to all the candidates. Thank you so much.